An integrated communications as a service solution is always looked at for CRM integrations and integration with other business systems and with other collaboration systems. Telviva One has integrations active with one of the most popular packages out there called Zoho. We've also done an integration with our own South African flavoured CRM system called Solid. This allows us to pick up customer details on an inbound call, allows us to create elements inside the CRM on an inbound call, allows us to do things like click to dial out of the CRM system. Telviva One has been created with very, very rich APIs in place so that we can adapt the requirements of any sort of CRM system to work with Telviva One to enhance these features and to provide new features as they become required. So if a customer has an esoteric requirement, like they would like some fancy escalation or alerting to be done when a certain type of engagement comes, we can go ahead and modify our APIs to do that sort of thing. Business software, so your accounting systems and other things like that would be integrated with in a very similar way. And then collaboration software allowing you to go ahead and work simultaneously on things like documents, on a shareable whiteboard, and those type of items within a meeting context is also supported. So a number of other features that we've got included in our Telviva One product is unified messaging. Chat is part of the Telviva One product, and we have plans to bring integration with other well-known chat systems like WhatsApp, Google Messaging, Telegram, and anything that has an API that we can go ahead and integrate with. One of my favorite bugbears is trying to find the chat that somebody has sent me. I get asked a number of times a day, did you get my message? And then I have to pull my devices out and try and work out on which device, in which application that message was sent. It becomes a job to sit there and try and work out which chat is which person's favorite method of going ahead and communicating. So being able to bring those into a unified interface starts making things a lot easier and simpler for our customers. We have internationalized and we have multi-skinned our Telviva One product so that your experience can be exactly the experience that you need. So we've now got over a dozen languages inside the product, and you can select between those languages from a menu inside the mobile application, inside the web application. And then you can also go ahead and decide whether you want your dark mode or your light mode. And we can go ahead and develop individual skins for the mobile and for the web applications that reflect your branding and would include your logo. Well, in preparation for the Mobile World Congress, we have gone ahead and translated Telviva One into a number of the European languages. Spanish, of course, seeing as it's taking place in Barcelona, Portuguese, German, French, Italian, and then we thought while we were at it, why not do some homegrown languages, and we've also included Afrikaans and synchronises. Telviva One is delivered out of Amazon Web Services. They have various locations around the world and as such as a cloud service. So we at Telviva have adhered to some very, very strict security principles, ensuring that people's data is protected, ensuring that the product remains secure, ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR. Being inside an Amazon Web Services, inside a hyperscaler, it is possible for us to go ahead and leverage off the advanced features of something like Amazon to do things like sentiment analysis, call recording transcription, and utilize those large compute requirement facilities to go ahead and bring those sort of features to our customers. Telviva One has just been enhanced to include a new product called Telviva Engage. Telviva Engage allows you to put a website chat widget on your landing page so that when a customer arrives, they can be prompted for help. So if you've been to a large retailer's website recently, you will have seen things popping up and saying, can I help you, or chat to me now. This allows your support staff to interact with customers in many different ways. That website chat widget is not just the only thing that you can use. We've got lots of different ways of engaging, for example, WhatsApp, SMS, and other text-based messaging channels. At Telviva, we follow an agile development methodology. We run short sprints of development that are generally driven by what our customers are asking to do. It means that we can go ahead and release new features that have been well tested and well integrated into the product every few weeks or so. Generally, our development sprints would last between sort of 6 weeks and 3 months. But a lot of consultation with our customers makes sure that what we do remains relevant and enhances productivity for them. Telviva One is your product. It is centered around you, around your devices, and around the features that you require. It runs on your cell phone, it runs on your tablet, it runs on your PC. It allows you to integrate with your CRM, it allows you to integrate it with your PBX or integrate it with you as a carrier. It will reflect your personality in branding, and it will reflect your language in our language translations. So Telviva One is completely centered around giving you the experience that you want to get better quality conversations. All of us at Telviva are excited to meet all of you at Mobile World Congress at the end of February. Our stand is in Hall 5. Please come and visit us and let us show you the product that we're so passionate about.